I'm Jeff Gorham,
And I'm Sandy Gorham.
and we're patients of Northeast Georgia Physicians Group Concierge Medicine. We came here to Gainesville about 2 years ago.
We love the community. We're very active in nonprofits, and that's kind of our heart. And when we started looking, Gainesville had a lot of that. They also had the university. Also, the healthcare was one of the big reasons we moved here. We were very impressed with what we learned about the healthcare system here. But we just found Gainesville to have everything that we were looking for when we did our little checklist. I had heard about concierge medicine many years ago, but I was younger and I didn't have the need for all the specialists. And then as we got older, we started having things go a little awry, and we had to start looking into specialists. And I think that's when I started to really think about, I would love to have someone that can just kind of manage our care. I immediately liked Dr. Griffa.
Her staff is professional
Yes.
and great as well. It's not just her, the nursing team and from the receptionist that greets you at the door with a smile and offer you a water or snack if it's appropriate beforehand, or certainly after you've done all your blood work or what have you. They just seem very friendly and professional as well. So the annual physical and the depth and the detail and the tests that she runs on you that aren't standard. She does things that Medicare and insurance would not generally cover unless you had a specific ailment that drove you to it.
So care coordination and staff are probably some of the biggest things that people like, but they also like the experience in the office overall. So fortunately, with our unhurried visits, we can develop a good health history. We can have time to answer all the questions that patients have kind of been holding on to or really wanted to be able to talk to a provider about. And I also get to ask them all the questions that I want to, because everybody has a list. They have a list and I have a list, and we have time to get to all of it.
I have texted her or called her in the morning when something came up or I had a little bit of an issue regarding a medicine I was taking, and she immediately called back. She's very responsive, and she told us the only time she won't answer it is if she is with a patient or she's up in the air in a plane. But I'll call you as soon as I land. I think it's well worth it. I mean, for me, good health, if you don't have good health, you don't really have good life.